Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make liver pepper fry. This is a very delicious and healthy recipe. Very easy to make, so let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Heat a pan, into this add a tablespoon of oil. When the oil is hot, add 1/8 teaspoon of fennel seeds, 1 onion chopped, 1 green chilli split into 4 and few curry leaves. Give all the ingredients a good mix for a minute. Then add 250 grams of liver cut into small pieces. You can either use chicken liver or mutton liver for this recipe. Give it a gentle mix and make sure not to break the pieces. Then to this add half teaspoon of salt, 1/8 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of chilli powder, 1/4 teaspoon of coriander powder and 1/4 teaspoon of cumin powder. Mix all the spices well. Now the masala is all well spread, so close it with the lid and let this cook for 5 minutes in medium flame. It's been 5 minutes now, so let's open and check. The liver is well done. Give it a nice mix until the water completely dries up. Then to this add half teaspoon of pepper powder and mix it well. Finally, sprinkle some chopped coriander leaves and our delicious liver pepper fry is ready. Serve it hot with some steamed rice and enjoy with your family and friends. Very easy, delicious and an instant recipe. So do try this liver pepper fry recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.